Welcome to the ProMember video tutorial for maze creation. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps involved in creating a maze based on one of your own images. To begin, from your control panel, click the Mazes menu and then click the New command. In the form that appears, provide a short title for your maze. Our maze will be based on a picture of a weightlifter, so we will call it Weightlifter. In the next space, you can enter keywords that will help other users find your maze. If you don't intend to share your maze publicly, you can just leave this blank. The image you upload should be a high contrast image, since the site uses the light and dark areas to form the inside and outside of the maze. Black and white silhouette images often work very well. In this case, we have chosen a silhouette of a weightlifter. We click Choose File and then browse to the location of our image. After selecting it, the image is uploaded. Once upload is complete, click Submit. You will be redirected then to the maze generation page, and you will be able to make edits to your image. Since we don't want to make any changes to the image, we click Finish. However, when we do so, the site informs us that there are pixels or regions of pixels that are disconnected from the main body of the image. We need to either remove these regions or connect them to the rest of the black region. Depending on how complex your image is, this may take a while. Once you are done, click Finish again. Now the site will show you a small version of your image. This is the version of your image that will be used to create the small maze. Notice that there is a single white space in the weightlifter's chest. This is an artifact of the shrinking process and is nothing to be concerned about. But since we don't want the weightlifter to have a hole in his chest, we click Back to edit the image, fill in that pixel, and continue to the next step. Now we need to select a point as the starting point for our maze. Click a point on the very edge of the black region. It must be adjacent to at least one white space. This will be the entry point. Since the point we selected is adjacent to more than one white space, we need to click to indicate from which direction we'll be entering the maze. We do the same to select an ending point. Since the ending point is adjacent to only one white space, we don't need to select a direction. The site is able to do that automatically. Once you have selected both the starting and ending points, click Go to generate your maze. The region will change from black to red and then from red to green. This is a visual display of the calculations involved in creating your maze. Once this is finished, you will be shown a larger version of your image. This allows you to create a medium-sized maze. You may also choose to create a large maze as well. Finally, when you are finished creating the mazes, you will see the title of your new maze in the maze list. If you click the check mark next to your maze and then click Preview, you can view the maze as it will appear on the site. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. If you have not yet created your ProMember account, click Getting Started under the Go Pro menu and have fun creating mazes.